Hello guys, this is Utkarsh. Today we are going to discuss about aggregate functions, group by and order by clause and build functions. So let's move on to the lab exercise. Here this is a schema of what we already did in the previous sessions at the furniture company database. And so there are some queries. These queries we have to execute. Actually, all the queries I have done not in the sequence. Sometimes this one, then this one, like that. So better I'll not see these questions. I'll tell you with these queries only what actually these queries are doing. So the first one is actually I'm selecting select I'm displaying the customer names from the customer table where customer name and ends with E. This mod E means ends with E. So select customer name from customer 001 where customer name like %E. So it will display all the customer names whose name ends with E. Now the next query is select customer name count order ID from customer 001 order ID order 001 comma order 001 where customer 001 dot customer ID is equal to order 001 dot customer ID group by customer name. So what it does, you can see here, it displays the count or the order ID of each customer. Suppose this John Joy is having only one order, so his order ID is this one, and count of this order ID. And John Doe is having three orders total, so the count of order ID is three. Similarly, for Henry Smith and Richard Newell, and then there's the next query: select customer name, count, order ID from customer 001 order comma order 001 where dot customer ID is equal to order dot order ID order dot customer ID group by customer name having customer name equal to John Doe. So the person having customer name John Doe, his count of order ID will be printed. Now the next query is select maximum from order quantity uh, from the table order quantity. So from the table order quantity, it's printing the max order quantity. The max quantity is 20. Next is select customer name and minimum price from customer table order quantity table where customer ID is equal to order dot customer ID and order dot order ID is equal to order quantity dot order ID, and it is grouped by customer name. So it's printing the minimum price for John Joy. It's 3,005, and for John Doe it's 2,000, and respectively for each and every customer. We're not going into details. We'll see the what the query is doing. The main thing is without going into the context. So these are actually got some errors. So we'll see where the query is executed correctly. Yeah, actually this is the same query that we have seen above. So let's not waste time again. We'll see here. Yeah. And the next one is select product description, average price from product 001 order quantity where where order quantity dot product ID is equal to product dot product ID. So and group by product description. So it will display the product description and average price of all the only the product description and average price of all the products. Actually, this product description is contained in a different table and price is contained in a different table. So that's why we have to do this, uh, where order quantity dot product ID is equal to product dot product ID, and then group by product description means uh, it will be grouped through product description. Like if duplex table lamp is there are two duplex table lamp, so it will be done one, only one time. So it's around 7 rows selected. Totally there are 7 rows that been displayed. Next query is errors. Yeah. So the next successfully executed query is select order dot order ID, sum order quantity. So these two columns will be displayed from which table? From order quantity and order 001 table, where I check, yeah, where order quantity dot order ID is equal to order 001 dot order ID. Just to equate these tables, group by order 1 dot order ID. So we'll group this by order ID. So one having order ID 101. So if suppose order ID is 101 for two products, so the sum will be printed here. Suppose the one having 20 and the one having 20, so it will display 40. It will be like that. I don't know exactly what happens, but in this context, but it happens like this. Usually it happens like this. So select count order ID, order date from order 001, group by order date. So it will display the count to the order ID and order date from the order table. So it's like that. Count of order ID is 1 for 2nd October 2014. So number of products that are to be delivered on 2nd October 2014 are 1. For 10th October it's 4, and for 3rd October it's again 1, and for 1st October it's 2. So it happens like this. Next is, let's see, yeah. Next query is select order ID, count product ID from order quantity, group by group ID. Better we close this tab and yeah. So actually these are aggregate functions what we are seeing. So select asterisk from order 001, order by order date. So it will order it by order date means in the ascending order. See the 1st October, then 1st October, then 2nd, then 3rd, then all 10, 10. So it does it by, it orders it by order date, and we are selecting select asterisk from order 001. So all the column will be displayed of the order 001 table. So next is select product description from product table, order quantity, order quantity, where order quantity dot product ID is equal to product dot product ID group by product description. So it displays the product description of all the products and it groups it by product description. So next query is like next execute query is actually the query that we executed above was not complete. We need to do some more thing in that. So let's see the correct query. Yeah, actually this one is the correct one. So select product description, comma, sum of order quantity from product, comma, order quantity, where this where clause specifies condition, where order quantity dot product ID is equal to product dot product ID, and then we have to group by product description having sum of order quantity greater than 3 and order by sum of order quantity. So all those having sum of order quantity greater than 3 will only be displayed, others won't be displayed. So we see sum of order quantity is always 12, 20, it's nowhere less than 3. So next, move on to the next query. Let's move on. And yeah, now this one is select order ID, from order quantity, order by order quantity in descending order. It's a simple query. You can see just we are printing the order ID in the descending order. Total the 12 rows are selected and the 12 rows are being displayed. The next one is actually is the same one. Nah, yeah. Select order ID, comma order quantity from order quantity and then order by ordered quantity. So display the order ID and order quantity of each of the product and it orders it by ordered quantity. So ordered quantity is here in the it actually it orders by descending order. So it is in descending order. Say first 20 and then 14, then 12, then 11, then 10, then 6 all the way 6. Yeah. So the next query that is being executed is select upper. Upper is a actually built-in function, so it displays all the name in the uppercase. So select upper customer name from customer 001. So you can see all the names that are being displayed are in the capital case. Now the next is describe order 001. So it simply describes, and then actually I did it because of I wanted to see what exactly table contains. So it was that. Leave it. Next is select lpad. Now lpad is also a built-in function. Lpad postal code comma 7 comma 0 from customer 001. So it displays these things. Actually, it displays everything mm, without these spaces. This and then actually what's the difference? We'll see. Yeah, actually it displays 7 comma 0. This specifies the number of digits that are to be printed of the postal code. So here you can see we are passing 5 comma 0. So only the 5 digits will be printed, and here if we pass just 2, so only 2 digits will be printed, only the starting 2 digits. So next is, yeah, here you can see 9 digits are being printed. Actually the postal code is a very big number, so we can just pass the initial. We just want to print the initials, so that can be done through this function. Now almost we are in, and then yeah. So the last query is this select substr substr. So this substr selects the substring. We passed here customer name, so substring of customer name 9 comma 6. This specifies it displays starting from the ninth position. It displays the string and the size of the string is 6. So you can see here new man it's a size 6 and n is the ninth character in the string from customer table where customer ID equal to 3. So only the customer ID, only the person having customer ID 3 will be displayed. So here it goes. So that was it. Thank you.